I hear there is much mud up here. It's getting chunky. At the lookout, friends. I bet that's deep as hell. More dirt. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. You okay? Oh shit. Oh, you okay? We'll just move on, if you don't mind. It is Saturday here at the Giant Loop Ride. The weather has much improved, as you can see, and I'm headed out with Trav and Larry and Kevin, and we are gonna go check out the King Mountain Lookout. I've never actually ridden the forest side out here, so pretty excited to experience that. Gonna take the 300L, put some miles in today. And there's, of course, the Todd. The Todd is here, and he's not coming with us. He is not riding with no helmet or anything cool like that. It's not California, bro. Well, good night last night. Campfire, shenanigans, beverages, but I'm feeling human enough to ride, so must have moderated well. I'm narrating. I don't always talk to myself this much. That's a lie, I do, but that's why I just started filming it. We have officially left the pavement. I hear there is much mud up here, so this could be an interesting day. I'm gonna be really happy I'm on the 300, I think. Now it's getting good, theoretically. Well, it is nice to get into the woods. And again, it's crazy the contrast because we were in desert when we left. And if you go south from where we were at Crane, you go all the way to the Alvord Desert, the big dry lake bed. Or you come not even an hour north and you're in an Alpine forest, ponderosa pines and grassy underbrush and all that. So it is neat at the Giant Loop Ride to experience the diversity of terrain out here in this part of Oregon. People forget that Oregon is half desert and they think it all looks like this, and it doesn't. So it's neat to be able to see both in such a small area at one event. Oh yeah, it was obviously way muddier yesterday. It's drying out, which is good, but in the shady spots you can see the slippery treacherousness. Dude, I'm loving this little thing. It is so fun to rip around spots like this. Like, it's perfect for it. It's so easy to toss around and you don't worry about getting into a tight spot and not being able to turn around. And you know what? I'm not afraid to admit I was wrong. In fact, I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy that I was wrong and that I gave it a chance to discover how fun it is. Ooh, some fun rockiness. Good stuff, some good chunk. Yeah, it's all free rangeland out here. Gotta look out for a lot of cows. It's getting chunky. Oh yeah, there's some mud. All right, well we're gonna find that mud for sure. It's up here. Yeah, it's probably too chunky for this camera to be up this high. I'm gonna go with yes. There's the mud we've been hearing so much about. Ooh, slippery. Well, the puddles aren't very deep, that bodes well. My feet are wet, I can feel it. Oh man, what a day. What a terrible profession. To have to spend your days riding and filming in the woods. It's awful. That is a meadow that is probably a lake part of the year, I'm guessing. Although I guess it would be right now, so maybe not. Maybe it's just a meadow. Sometimes a meadow is just a meadow. Let's get some swoopy, turny footage while we're still going a decent clip on the B camera. Legit ruts. Okay, I might have to stand up. Oh man, I'm gonna be lazy the whole way up. Oh man, this would have sucked if it was muddy. Looks like it's not bad right now. Ooh, there's some mud. My goggles. Should have flopped them on right there. But no, I'm dumb. I didn't do that. Oh, there's the lookout. Damn, we're almost there. Wonderful. You camera. King Mountain, here we are. At the lookout, friends. I know because there's a sign that says so. Hey. Alrighty then. The view is not terrible. Holy shiz nozzles. There's snow up here. Sweet.
What'd you think of that, bro? That was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, quite a panoramic view. You know, these are fire towers, obviously. The point is the panoramic view, but they don't use them anymore because they spot fires with satellites these days. Of course, we got to climb up the tower. That's going to happen.
You were saying that this route was impassable.
We bypassed them.
Probably should put a gate on this if that's the case. And that's as much climbing as I want to do today. Not much left of the interior. A bunch of course, smashing everything. So, this is why we can't have nice things, but pretty cool it's still up here. That is the King Mountain Tower, and we are going to continue on the King Mountain Loop, which is going to take us through some more beautiful scenic forest roads probably, and then into Burns about lunchtime, which is going to work out quite well. So there you go. But this is not a difficult ride at all. The only hard part is here at the end, which I'll show you again right now. But if you take it slow and pick your lines well, almost anybody can probably ride it, as long as it's dry. If that was muddy, well, it would be a whole nother story. Let's see how well the 360 cam does with all the bumps. I don't think it's gonna work out. I probably should just put it down. Quit fooling myself. Yeah, maybe we'll just put it up kind of high. Yeah, there we go. That might work. Gotta quit following Kevin's lines and start looking farther ahead. Yeah, so the chunky section here with the drainage ruts kind of washed off the side here is the trickiest part. Everything else is pretty easy to navigate. So you can see, if you got into one of these ruts, you would have a bad time. So pick good lines, stay out of them, and you'll be fine. King Mountain Loop. You can enjoy the majesty of the watchtower, fire lookout, without fear of dying, you know, or whatever, injury. I bet this was really bad even a day ago. Yeah, like look at this one to the left. Camera's gonna flatten that out, but it's a foot deep. It easily, like if your wheel went into it, you're done. You're not gonna be moving forward anymore. Okay. Chunk, and that's it. Hard part over. That's it. What is that? A minute, maybe two of mildly difficult riding, and then you're back on the good stuff. Golden cruising. All right, let's see what else this forest has to offer. Ooh, a boat. Free boat. Damn, look at this. Look at these campsites. That's a cool spot. This looks like it could be interesting if it's not dry. Well, 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 what have we here? Well, yeah, this could be interesting. We'll see how dry it is. This is way better than that gravel highway we were just on. Fun-wise, I mean, not like traction-wise. Good times, good stuff. Dang, some real good fun stuff in here. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, well, the route up to King Mountain only has the one tricky section. It looks like the loop maybe has a couple. That's good. We wouldn't want it to get boring, you know. I bet that's deep as hell. Water crossing! Legit water crossing. Hell yeah. Well, that is a little baby stream in there, but yes, it is a water crossing technically. Here's an abandoned building. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's like mining equipment up here. It's like a sluice, sifter. I don't know the mining terms. The thing that like sorts the rocks out, you know? That's what it looks like to me. I'm not saying Trav missed another really obvious turn, but, well, let's just say we had to turn around. Well, I didn't have to turn around because I didn't miss a turn. I just waited, but it took him a minute to get back to us. Ooh. Oh man, my tolerance for the front end sliding has increased dramatically. That would have been a crash a year ago, maybe two. The trick is do it on purpose a bunch of times, and then, you know, when it happens on accident, you don't immediately freak out and crash. That's cool in here anyway. Manzanita shenanigans. Manzananigans. Yeah, looks like we're hitting the highway. This is 395. Yep, 21 miles to Burns for gas and stuff. Oh, the track actually goes right. Never mind, there's more. But wait, there's more. More dirt. It's interesting washed outness right here. Could be fun. Cattle guard, fun. Oh, shit. Yeah. Eat. Rockiness. Rocky. Yeah, there's a gorgeous meadow for you. Not terrible. That's what I'm talking about. You're not gonna jump that tree? Come on, dude. Oh, there's a little bit of a tank trap behind it. No big deal. You're gonna have to clear that or you're dead. It's like, if you don't clear it, you die. So, you know, no pressure. Today, Brancho. It's a fun two-track road. Enjoying it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. You okay? Yeah, both of them. I'm filming helpfully, as is my MO. Here we go, sliding her out. Go Trav. Woohoo! That was fun. They're doing controlled burns out here. BLM's out here burning up fuel on the forest floor. Nice. You can smell it. Oh, we must be getting down in elevation towards the desert because it's starting to get some more sagebrush in with the pine trees and a lot more sand. So it's getting a lot dustier. Out of the mountain on this fun, lots of sweet, fun two-track, but it's definitely getting dusty. It's making it really hard to see the deep ruts and stuff. Been surprised a couple times, so try to keep my distance. got a gate. The rule on gates is if it's closed, close it. If it's open, leave it open. This one's closed.
Well, there's that paved road back there. This is the track. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh, you okay?
Sorry, buddy.
Are you pinned? Okay, here. Can we get it off you?
Sorry about that.
Shit happens, dude. As long as you're not hurt.
Small guy, short guy problem.
And guess what? Camera's on.
Mine was too. I didn't see it fall, but I got the aftermath. Sorry.
No, dude, I'm just glad you're okay. Thanks for the warning. I didn't get my leg underneath. I was like, I'm probably not gonna be able to hold this up, so. Not ugly. Capture some close-up footage of Trav. Majestic beast that he is. That's some mud, fun. This was very wet yesterday. Yeah, 2-track maybe. 2-track maybe. This is what 2-track? There's barely a trail here. I love it. Oop, cows. What is cows outside? Cow farm. Move. We'll just move on, if you don't mind. Sorry, Bessie. Move. Hey, cow, would you mind moving out of the way? Thanks, cow. Do not get between a mama cow and her calves. They don't like that. Hey, buddy. Sorry. We'll be moving on. I don't want to have some kind of catastrophe, you know? Oh, there's one with horns. Yep, nice and slow. Ease by. Don't rev or anything stupid. Just be cool, man. Cowabunga. You know, messing with cows is cowardly. Yeah, this was a fun detour off the main route. I'm glad this was on the loop we're doing. It's fun. I don't know how the hell Harold found this stuff back in the day, but here it is. There's still a bit of mud up here, but for the most part we've been able to get around it. So the dust is obviously coming back, so that's mostly what I'm seeing today is dust, but also some gorgeous views. I think we're starting our descent towards Burns now. See, there's a few of these big mud holes, but like I said, they almost always have go-arounds at the moment, which has been good because it is thick and deep. That's what she said. Headed back towards civilization, it looks like. I see power lines and buildings. Well, anyway, this has been the King Mountain Loop, the 2023 Giant Loop Ride. Beautiful mountain lookout at the top early on, lots of fun fast forest roads, and then some of this challenging, not like hard, but challenging fun. Got to think about where you pick your line. 2-track stuff and this more dirty, dusty stuff. So it's a good variety of challenge, and it's enjoyable because of that, but it's not hard. There's nothing that I wouldn't take a newish rider on. There's nothing crazy, no big obstacles, no rocky hill climbs or crazy descents or anything like that. Just some rain ruts you got to pick your way around, and some mud holes that you're going to want to ride around, but it's pretty obvious how to do that. If you keep your speed down and pay attention to your line, you'll be just fine. So I enjoyed this route. It's been awesome. And I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I would encourage you, if you haven't, to think about coming to the 2024 Giant Loop Ride, because this is just one of like 13 amazing routes that we have available, and you can see all kinds of different diverse stuff. But for now, I think we're going to call it a video, unless something really amazing and compelling happens. Well, could happen. But otherwise, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Oh, thank you.
Excellent!